Forex traders once again to Kingdom Forex Academy. Wow, it's been a while and I've actually missed you guys. I missed having you around. So we're going into our analysis for this week, and as you know, it's been a while since we posted. We're trying to get sorry for that. We're trying to get our analysis together for you. There are a lot of things happening on the market now, and you can see for yourself. The money is still being made. As you can see, this is daily time frame. I just bagged about maybe about 200 pips in the market. Though not up to, you can see I entered the trade around somewhere on this candlestick, on this red candlestick. Yeah, just bagged some money, and this is AUD USD. So I entered on this pink candlestick right here, and I just bagged some money by about 100 pips or more than 150 or so. So that's sweet cash. Guys. Okay, let's get into. Okay, first of all, how are you guys doing? We are here together. I should ask about your well-being, because we are giving you content. Are you making money? If you aren't making money, then you need to just stick to this channel, guys. Get your account ready, your funded account. Watch these analysis videos and set your trades. That's epic. You are gonna make money. That's it. So let's get into today's analysis. This is AUD UAD. As you know, we here at KFA, we use the top-down analysis. Perfect, smooth, true. It never fails. Guys, top-down analysis never fails. It's just there for us. So looking at the monthly time frame, we see the direction is just a downtrend, but it's in this consolidation zone. Like, it's not leaving this box. It's just like, oh, this is a cage. You're not leaving a guy. But as you can see, what is happening here? Looking at this pink candlestick, I actually think there's still tendency for AUD USD to come down. That is, has to come down and break through this place like that. But we don't decide on a monthly time frame. We go to the weekly time frame. You can see what is happening on a weekly time frame. All the zones has been drawn out. All the zones, you can see, all the zones have been drawn out. So what we just need to do is we look at the chart, we look at what the chart is doing. As you can see, this is a downtrend line right here, and you can see what's happening. That's the weekly time frame. That is what brought me to a daily time frame. So what I'm predicting for this market is still actually a continuation downward. Still a continuation downward. Today is Monday, and it might not be able to tell the direction on a Monday, but for the week, I still think it should be a downward trend, because this place the market got to and reversed. To me, it's not a nice place. So it's two things. Either of two things are going to happen. Either of two things. The first one is that it comes back here and come and just test this place again, then continue dropping, or it just drops. That's either of two things. But the thing is, how you be careful. I won't enter any trade again for now. Why? Because the market has does not have any solid movement again. Let me draw this line for you guys so you can see. There is no room for a solid movement. Why? You can see this line I drew just now. can see this is a major area, because this is looking like an head and shoulder pattern. I know what happens to another shoulder pattern, though it drops all the way. So according to head and shoulder pattern, this is the neckline, so it should actually drop to somewhere like this, somewhere here, which should happen. But because of all these zones right here, you can see this zone on this side, you can see all this zone. Look at those pins. Those pins are like crazy pins, guys. So I'll actually be like conservative about my trade. I can just put in a small lot size and still opt for the sell. So market is going to react to this zone. As you can see what is happening on this part right now. You see it's on the same zone as this. Market is reacting on the, and I'm sure this thing is going to hold for it, because look at it right here, look at it. So it's actually going to hold, guys. So what you just need to do is you need to be careful about your trade. The market is still coming down, it has to complete. See, market has rallied up, it has to rally back down. That is how it works in a consolidating. Don't forget, when in consolidating on the monthly time frame, when the consolidation, can you see, guys? Can you see? So it has to rally back down. So trust me, market is still gonna rally back down. So what you can just do to place your trade on a 4-hour time frame is something like this. You can see this level right here that is holding. So what the market also, I would just advise you to do is you wait. Yes, that's just the best advice. You wait. I can't say market is going to rally back to this upside, because it might not actually do that. That's the short thing. It might not actually do that. But when market is about to start falling back down, you are going to know, guys. You are going to know when market is about falling. But right now, I think it's about like rallying back to the upside. So you wait for it to rally back to the upside, then you move in for your trade. You wait for it to rally back to the upside, and you move in for your trade. So let's go to Euro USD. I bagged a lot on this. Even it might take profit and still continue moving down. This was a sweet trade, guys. So you can see this is the trade I placed last week. I just placed the trade and keep enjoying. So that's what's happening on Euro USD on our monthly time frame. Okay, you can see it's in consolidation also, but just broke out of it recently, and it's about to do its Euro USD thing. It's about to do the Euro USD. I'm coming. I just want to check something. Okay, so what we do is Euro USD is still going to go up, guys, because there's room. It's going to go up. It's just coming back from a dip. It's just coming back from a dip. So there is a high chance of Euro USD flying up to this zone, and best believe we want to know when it's going to happen, because we want to ride that market all the way to the upside. You don't want to be left out of this delicacy. Yeah, you don't want to be left out. So what we do is, we've seen the overall trend of the monthly time frame. We've seen also a downtrend. As you can see, my downtrend line, you can see. So let me go to our weekly time frame, see what's happening. Okay. You can see this, so It's like another consolidation, another consolidation. It's like it's consolidating in a consolidation. So that's what is happening here. So let's go to the daily time frame. Okay. Wow. This is nice. So this is what's going to happen on Euro USD. Right now, Euro USD has just gone through one massive movement. So it needs time to relax. As you can see, this line right here, this trend line right here, that is what is holding true for Euro USD. It's really holding true for Euro USD. So what we just do is Euro USD might not actually come down anymore because it has touched this uptrend line. Let me show you that uptrend line on my weekly time frame. Yes, this uptrend line. So it might not really go down again. So it just actually broke through the trend line. So what we just look out for on Euro USD is we wait for it to reverse. Now, either of two things is going to happen. Either it reverses and breaks through this guy and continue up, or it touches this guy and comes back down. Either of the two is going to happen. Listen, guys, either it goes back up, breaks through it and continues, just going to do a small retest and it continues, or it touches this line and it reverses. Either of those two things are going to happen, because you have to know, guys, market does not just move anyhow. Market moves with reason. It moves with reason. Now, from looking at this, if I should remove this trend line, looking at this from this place, you can see this line holding true for it, but so guys, so either of those two things are going to happen. Either of those two things. But what I actually love to really see is Euro USD break through this place down here comfortably and rise back, because don't forget, guys, you have a small uptrend, so it may actually also continue an uptrend, to continue the uptrend, because Euro, I told you in the beginning, from our monthly time frame, Euro USD has the potential of rising to this level right here. So that is why I'm actually very biased on the buy, but I need the buy to be, I need the market to prepare itself for that buy. Like, everything should be screaming that buy. But right now they're still like, okay, I can still break down to this place, or just come here and come back down or something. But I would actually love to see the market come down to this place right here. Give me that pin feeling, then just start shooting up. Then I can comfortably have something like this. I can comfortably have something like this. It's going to come down to this zone. Probably give me a pin right here. Then I'll be able to place my trade right here like this. Yes, I'll just have something like place my trade here, my stop loss around somewhere here, something like this. Yes, and the reason is because okay, let's place our first big profit here. Yes, I would love to have something like this. I would love to have something like this. So that is why I'm saying I would actually have preferred the market to come down to this zone and move up. That rallying up is going to be a massive movement, which I would love to be in. But from here like this, the sell is not solid enough, and it's something that is going to be of concern. Because imagine the market moving from this place, this is a barrier, but when moving from this down, it has enough force to push through. So that's something on Euro USD. So we wait on Euro USD also. We wait till the signals are clear. And what are the signals? If the Euro USD continues to fall to this downside, I'll just be happy. What we just do is bid your time, wait. But if Euro USD continues to go up, it either gets to this place and reverses, or get to this place and punch through. Which first take profit here, second take profit will be somewhere around here. So that is my analysis on Euro USD, guys. I think we should move to gold. Let's see what gold is doing. Gold is a crazy market, guys. Gold is a crazy thing. It's not for the weak minded. It's not for the weak. So gold has done a lot of good things. So this is good on the monthly time frame. Wow, hitting new highs. I know it's from the moment this first one happened. Gold is continuously hitting new highs, and you have to be careful of the market, guys. When a market is like exploring new zones, you need to be very careful. You need to be very careful. Don't just trade. You don't want to trade anyhow, because there is no level it has gotten to before that you can trace a take profits to or stop loss to. So you need to be very careful how you trade a market that's just exploring new zones. It is so important. So let's check the overall trend of the market. As you can see, the overall trend is an uptrend. Unlike Euro USD and AUD USD. Those guys, they are like bearish people. So you can see uptrend right here, and let's see. Oh, sweet trade. You can see gold just broke out of this consolidation. Wow, this is actually a long consolidation. Just broke out of it. And got to this level and consolidated again. That is why I'm telling you guys, the forex chart is not something that just moves up, comes down, moves up, comes down. It does not happen that way. It's not. If it happens that way, you actually not be losing any money. Why? Because you just need to, when it's time for it to come down, you just need to sell. When it's time for it to go up, you just need to buy. But there are a lot more to the forex market, guys. For example, after a solid movement, there have to be a period of correction and consolidation before market decides if it wants to continue going up or if it wants to come down. So like seeing this is a daily time frame, and after market did this big movements to the upside, it's now in a consolidation period. So right now gold is just in a consolidation period. You can trade liquidation, you can go in, you just need to draw your zone out. And ask, how do I do that? For you to be able to trade consolidation, it's actually quite simple. You draw the zone out. So all you need to know is intricacies, all you need to know is when market gets to this bottom line here, you buy, because it will come up and come and test this place. When market gets to this place, you sell, something like that. So you'll be thinking that this box is small, does not have any room. This is a daily time frame, guys. So you can see my box stands true. So when it gets to this place, you sell. When it gets to this place, you buy. That's just how to trade the consolidating market. But I'm not going into the trade because I don't joke with consolidation on gold. I don't play with that thing, guys. It can make you go bankrupt. So you need to be careful with that, guys. So that's on gold. On gold, you just need to just stay out of it now. Right, for now, just stay out of it. I am staying out of it for now. So what other currency pair? Okay, I think GBP. Let's see what GBP is saying. Whoa, I'm seeing something on my downtrend line. Let's go to the monthly time frame. GBP, can you see GBP is also like AUD USD and Euro USD, but this now is interesting because take a look at this. This has a potential to get to this zone. That's something, and as you can see, it just hits this uptrend line. That means all we should be looking for now all we should be looking for now on the GBP is a buy. Yes, guys, it's a buy. The reason why it's standing true is, let me draw this for you guys. Okay, I think I'm seeing a potential for something I can go into right here. This is nice, guys. This is really nice. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Okay, guys, this is what we're gonna do. I'm going to be entering a trade on GBP USD. So I will tell you the trade I'm gonna enter and how I'm gonna enter the trade. So this is it. Looking at this zone right here, I love what I'm seeing on GBP USD. I love what I'm seeing on GBP USD. So what I'm going to be doing is this. I'm going to enter a buy on GBP USD, but there will be criteria for entering the buy. For example, looking at this zone right here, let me move this to the up. Okay, so looking at this uptrend line, the market has gotten to this uptrend line and it's looking like it wants to reverse. But there's allowance for it to reverse. So as you can see, I usually leave allowance down for my pin candles. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a buy will be somewhere around here. My stop loss is going to be here. Yes, mind you, I'm not placing this trade on my daily time frame, guys. I'll be clearing it on my 4-hour time frame. So that's something like this. So on a 4-hour time frame, you can see it clearly that the market is even about to move. You can see. So what I do is I go for the buy. I place my stop loss here. You can see this place right here, and my take profit is on this zone. You may ask me, okay, what made me place this trade? See guys, I need to show you something that you need to know on with the top-down analysis. Something you need to know with the top-down analysis is that it respects zones a lot. It respects zones a lot. So anywhere there is a zone, market will surely react. And because this trend line has held true, that is why I can put my trust in the trend line. Like, okay, this trend line has held true for me. So even if markets end up coming down to come and like correct itself up to this pin candle level, so that it's going to be real, it's still within my like stop loss. So there's nothing I'm afraid of. It's still coming back up, and rest assured, market is going to go beyond this level. Yes, but the market may actually like have an issue with this level because of corrections on this level. You see the pin actually have issue like crossing that level, but it's going to break through it. Trust me, it's going to break through it. So that's all I have for you today, guys. Don't forget all the decisions we've made. Just need to watch out for those levels that I have pointed out to you. Watch out for those levels, and also don't forget that if you're joining this channel for the first time, you can just hit that like and subscribe button, because you always want to know when we are dropping analysis videos like this. And follow this channel, guys. It's just the best you can have out there. You want to make money in the forex market, this is the best go for you. You'll never be disappointed, because we always bring true analysis to your table. We will always give you the best. We want everyone to make money, guys. Everyone should make money, because country isn't smiling right now, and this is the best we can give you. This is all we can give you, so you need to stick to it, guys. So we'll be dropping more videos consistently from now on, so just stick to the channel and place your trades and be ready for your cash out. Peace out, guys.